Alright, last sea day, last lunch. We're gonna try to cram as much in as we can. Missed it.
Who's gonna press the L button first?
I will.
Who's gonna press
We've got chow mein, lo mein, onions, peas, carrots. No, these have a name.
baby corns?
Baby corns, calamari, some beans, and the Thai barbecue sauce. Come on. Just taste the calamari. It's a little spicy, nothing too bad. Hot.
You'll have to film our deconstructed food. You'll have to film our deconstructed food.
Yeah, I've got that before. That
Half
looks
a
good
beef
though.
burrito, taco salad.
Ooh, that looks really good.
That's nice.
Hey, before you sit down and eat that, take this and look out the window. Tell me what you see.
Okay.
Hold it nice and still.
What's out there?
Another cruise ship.
Oh.
Does somebody see that white dot? That's a cruise ship.
Second what?
This is peanut butter.
I can't believe that.
Pretty cool.
It's a peanut butter.
I gotta go get some help.
Sprinkles on that.
Oh, you got 2 chocolates?
3 chocolates.
1.
Hey!
Pretty sure that's the Vista. Don't think Mardi Gras is doing the Western Caribbean itinerary.
No. Daddy has to eat a cake because
Oh, I can eat a cake.
no.
I'm gonna save it for dinner tonight.
I couldn't wait. It was so good. It was like a peanut butter sponge
I'm not
cake.
having dessert today.
I just had a peanut butter sponge cake and it had a Cool Whip frosting on it. It was so good.
I am gonna have a second
The winner of
towel folding.
towel floating animals is
Mommy. Let her have it because she's not good at folding towels at home.
it's a tie. And you did the dinosaur
Yeah.
and the dog. And Daddy did an elephant. So I'm gonna make it a tie because Daddy's really good at folding, but he only made one. And Mommy is not really good at folding, but she made 2 great animals.
Thank you.
But one thing, you both missed the eyes.
They didn't hand out any eyes. We'll do that better at next time.